lot of rust.
I have removed the 3 screws and cleaned the 3 screws and the metal thing here, and as you can see, there has not been any sealant of any kind in the area here, and that is also the reason for the leak here. So right now my plan is to fill on some butyl sealant as always, and yeah, I think I will only put the butyl in the area here around the screw holes. I don't think it is necessary to fill in any sealant here. The leak has just been between the metal thing and the hull here. So yeah, I have now applied a thick layer of butyl sealant here, and then I will just mount the screws and yeah, press the whole thing together again. And there will of course come out some excess butyl sealant. I have of course again applied a small amount of oil to the screw, and then I just mount the screw here. As you know, I love to be secure, and I have also put on a bit of butyl sealant to the top of the screws here. So yeah, I am ensure that it is completely watertight here. But I think the main place where the water has entered is here in the sides. So it doesn't matter so much that if there is any butyl sealant on the screw here, but yeah, just to be sure. As you can see, the screws is now through the hull here, and I will then attach the washers and screws and so, and then tighten up the screws. Yeah, it is really hard to see anything here, so I must feel my way through the screw mount. Then the screws are tightened up, and as always, tight but not too tight, just yeah, good hand tight here. The screws are now tightened up from inside, and as you can see, we have a lot of excess butyl sealant here that indicates that the seal is complete, so that's a very good sign. But yeah, I will of course remove the excess butyl here so it can look a bit nicer. Then the area is cleaned and the screws are mounted again. So yeah, we will hope it is working now. When you look at the front here, you can see it almost look like it has run down from the forestay here down to the screws and further down and into the boat. But yeah, I don't know. But yeah, it looks like it has done that. Yeah, right now I am polishing the screw heads and remounting them with some lubricant. Everything is now mounted again, and I of course hope everything is okay. But as always, time will tell. When you look at the gap here, you can see there is a gap here, and yeah, normally there will run water down there when it rains, and it will of course run down into the holes. And if you don't have any sealant on, it will of course enter into the boat. So yeah, I don't know why Bavaria has choose not to put on any kind of sealant, but now there is something on. As you can see right here, I have used the napkin trick. I have just put around a napkin, and when it rains and when there is a leak, the napkin will show where the leak is, because it gets damaged off the water, and then when it is dry again, you can see where the water has dripped in. Very smart trick. It is simply because maybe there is coming in some water here, but I'm not sure. So yeah, a little trick I have here.